Hello guys, you use smartphone Honor 20 Pro. Start unpacking, open box and look completion. It's version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB internal memory. Phantom blue color, triple camera, quad camera and LED. 6.26 inch display on the front side. In completion you have key for SIM slot, documentary, USB Type-C cable, adapter USB Type-C to headphones jack, and adapter for charging. All completion, that's all. And now talk about device. Made of glass and metal, quad camera and LED on the back side, on the front side display and front camera, left side slot for 2 nano SIM card, device without micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Power key is Fingerprint Scanner. On the downside speaker, microphone and USB Type-C port. Turn on device, Quad HD Plus resolution, Full HD Plus resolution. About phone, Magic EU 2.1.0 Android 9. IPS Magics and open test Geekbench 5. CPU high silicon Kirin 980. This is octa-core processor 4+2+2 cores. GPU Mali G76 resolution and display PPA. Look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Close this and open Antutu Benchmark. Look Antutu score, Antutu score, ranking. We have 29 plays. Device support 10 touches. Okay. And open the demanding game Guitar San Andreas. Guitar San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Start game. Okay, game load, max graphic level, and works good. Good gameplay. Okay. Guitar San Andreas works good, and now open camera. Talk about camera. Main camera quad 38 plus 16 plus 8 plus 2 megapixels. Front camera 32 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.